confession booth. Talk about the other people. David's really getting on my nerves. His musical taste is horrible. We have to fight every day about what kind of music we're going to put on. For the rest of the day, to get the mood right. All he wants to listen to is Despacito. Can you believe that? It's horrible. He needs to be fired. That's just my confession.